is without circulation.
And uniform flow.
Hmm.
Here stream function. First case stream function, sir. Addition of components of psi function gives psi function for the combined flow as
Hmm.
psi is equal to function due to doublet flow plus psi due to uniform flow. And we know psi is equal to u r sine theta minus
Is
mu
it
by r.
is it PPT or
PPT only, sir.
go to slideshow? Go to slideshow. Is it PDF?
Yes, sir.
I asked you to make your presentation on PPT. Hmm? I don't know why you are not following my instructions. Okay, you hide this that bar is there, hide. So you click that hide. Ah. Okay, go ahead. Tell me.
Flow for cylinder without circulation,
Hmm.
which is the circulation with the combination of doublet flow and uniform flow.
Circulation is not combination.
Flow for cylinder is the combination.
Hmm.
Flow for cylinder is the combination without circulation is the combination of doublet and the uniform flow.
Hmm.
Which is uniform flow is like in the x direction, and
Hmm.
doublet is the combination of source and sink. It is in the this direction,
Hmm.
and those two combinations will be like this.
Hmm.
These are the stagnation points of this flow,
Hmm.
and uh, when uniform flow is when this uniform flow is overflowing the doublet, this
Hmm.
resulting will be obtained as flow for cylinder.
Hmm.
Stream function.
Hmm.
Stream function is the stream function will be obtained by combination of function and uniform functions phi function. That is, we already discussed in the earlier classes.
Hmm.
Uh, in that doublet flow, we derived the equation as minus mu by r sin theta, and for uniform flow, u r sin theta. That is
Hmm.
like that is
See, okay, just 1 minute. See, I told you when you are introducing the combination, all of you also follow what I am saying, so that when you are making your presentation next, you follow this. See, first you have to identify the two types of flows, which is one is a uniform flow, the other is a doublet. Now you have to tell the characteristics of the flow. If uniform flow with a velocity u taking in the x direction, that is okay. But how about doublet? You have to say that the doublet of strength, that mu. So you have to tell what is that mu. So a doublet of strength mu and a uniform flow with velocity u are combined, right? Then you have to tell, I told you this point last time also. Then you have to tell in which coordinate system you are going to analyze the system, entire system. So that point also you must make it clear, right? Go ahead.
from that I take a common mu as common, and u into r sin theta minus mu by u r sin theta. And
Hmm.
after that, I common the sin theta, that is u r into r minus mu by u r into sin theta.
Hmm.
Whereas we already know that a equal to square root of mu.
No, we already don't know. We are now assuming. See, how can you know A is equal to root mu by u? We
In
do
that,
not know. We are assuming. We are denoting for simplification purpose. We are introducing. In fact, you have introduced A is equal to root mu by U. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
By squaring on both sides, a square equal to will be come to right side, left side. Then mu a square equal to mu. We can substitute that value in the this above equation. Then we get psi equal to u into r minus ua square by ur into sin theta.
Hmm.
Then simplifying the cancelling u and u, then u into r minus a square by r sin theta.
Hmm.
The next thing is velocity at any point in the flow field, which is take some velocity components are Vr and v theta. We know the formula for Vr and v theta.
Hmm.
Is Vr equal to 1 by r dou phi by dou theta. We substitute the psi value in this, and after partial differentiating, we get this equation like d by dx sin theta is
1 minute. What is the mistake there? What is that mistake here? Where your cursor is there? There is a mistake. What is that?
dou x by dou
D by
theta.
To beta. With respect to
Ah.
theta, sir.
D by d theta of sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
d by d theta of sin theta equal to cos theta. Then we substitute, that will be come here, and then I take r as I'm divided with r in this equation. Then u into 1 by r minus a square by r square into cos theta. For Vt,
But you have not written R outside the bracket.
sir?
You have taken R common.
No, sir. I divided the r on that equation, sir.
So when you divide, that 1 by R should come out of the bracket sign. It is u by R into 1 minus.
Okay.
No, actually, no, it is not like that. See, what you have done is, you have divided by R.
Yes, sir.
So, you have to multiply by R.
Yes, sir.
So, u r into 1 minus a square by r square.
Okay, sir.
Your expression for VR will be u r into 1 minus a square by r square. Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Here divided by r will become 6.
Outside the bracket, there will be r. Will the r be in the numerator or denominator?
In the numerator, sir.
Correct. Okay.
Then for v theta component, velocity component v theta minus dou phi by dou r is the formula we know, and we substitute psi in this equation, and further whereas with respect to r we are partially derivating. Then for r component, dou by dou r of r equal to 1, and for dou by dou r of 1 by r equal to minus 1 by r square. That is this minus u into r partial derivation is 1, and e square by r 1 by.
Here also the same mistake.
Yes, sir.
You are. Is it correct? One minute. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
when I was explaining, huh? When I was explaining last time, I told that R is missing here. Hmm? Did I not tell you that?
By typing mistake.
1 minute, 1 minute. I will tell you. Number 6. You can continue.
The Ramu printer here are equal to A. Then both components are reduced to VR equal to 0. Then radial velocity is equal
No,
to
no,
0.
no. Harika, you stop.
I stopped it, sir. Some
But your mic is still working.
sorry, sir. 1 minute.
You are not stopped. Still, it's only your presentation is appearing. You close your
The green
presentation.
light. Sir, but other remaining 2% are not having laptops, so that's why.
Okay, now number 6.
Sir, sir, we don't have a laptop. Why Harika is going to send this to him, sir?
But you make you present yourself. Is it not there in your system?
No, sir.
10th class है 12th. Okay. What is the mistake in this expression? V theta is equal to you have written. What is the mistake here? See, when you say along the cylinder, it is not along the cylinder. It is along the circumference of the cylinder. Along the cylinder means length also will come into picture. That is perpendicular to the plane of your screen. So, along the circumference of the cylinder, you have to say. See, this is the problem. This is the problem if you copy from that Bansal book. Have you copied it from Bansal book? Harika? Tell me, where from you have noted this along the cylinder?
From
Where from you have copied that along the cylinder?
from the textbook of White, sir.
White.
Yes, sir.
Frank White.
Yes, sir.
Has he written along the cylinder?
No, sir. Exactly. I changed it, sir.
So if it is from White, he will. I don't agree because he will not write that mistake. Okay. Okay, you mute your speaker. Go ahead, Raghava. How? Why VR is equal to 0? Why the velocity along the cylinder, I mean circumference of the cylinder, VR is equal to 0? Diagram. So what? If R is equal to A, So where you just tell me where in the expression VR is equal to U into UR into 1 minus A square by R square. So substituting A is equal to R in that expression, the value in the brackets will be 0. So VR is equal to 0. So you should know how it has become 0. That is what my concern is. See, if I just allow you, because the answer is correct, VR is equal to 0 is correct. But how you got that 0? By substituting R is equal to A in the expression for VR. So there you have to give an equation number. Say for example, VR is equal to, you have written that 1 by R dou psi by dou theta, and then simplified, and you finally got that expression U into R into 1 minus A square by R square cos theta. So for that you have to give an equation number. And when you are explaining, you should tell, substituting R is equal to A in that equation, we will get VR equal to 0. So then people can understand. Followed? Not only you, all of you. Right, go ahead. Hmm. 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 1 minute. How you got that minus sign? Hmm? How you got that minus sign? Yeah, obviously you have copied it from book. Harika.
Sir, already in the VR equation we have a minus sign, sir.
No. That equation V is equal to V theta is equal to minus 2U sin theta you are written.
Yes, sir.
How that minus 2U?
From this V theta, already it is minus dou phi by dou psi by dou R, sir. For simplifying, we get here minus only, sir.
Correct.
For that, then we substitute R equal to A, then we will get like this minus 2U sin theta, sir.
చూడమ్మా అక్కడ పైన విఆర్ వీటాట్ వేసావు కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి ఆ పైకి వెళ్ళు. అక్కడ ఏదో ఒక మిస్టేక్ కనిపిస్తున్నది. అది ఆర్ ఉండదు, కరెక్టే, ఆర్ లేదు, కానీ నీ డెరివేషన్ నుంచి ఆర్ ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతున్నదా చూడు. 1 minute పైకి వెళ్ళి చెప్తాను ఒకసారి. విఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అక్కడ చూడు 1 by R. Yes, here you are. Okay, 1 by R. See, the mistake is here. Second step. VR is equal to, first step is VR equal to 1 by R dou psi by dou theta, right?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 1 by R dou by dou theta of U into R minus A square by R sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the next step?
By part.
Where is that 1 by R?
Yes, sir.
You have missed that 1 by R.
Yes, sir.
So Now you tell me, is it copied from Frank?
No, sir. This part is I am saying, sir. This is the own partial derivative and derivative, sir, only.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ నువ్వే టైప్ చేసావా?
ఎస్ సార్, మొత్తం నేనే టైప్ చేశాను సార్.
అయితే అది నీ మిస్టేక్ అనమాట, 1/6 వేయకపోవడం.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో అప్పుడు ఆ 1/6 వేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? That will go inside the brackets. So r by r will become 1. A square by r will become a square by r square.
Yes, sir.
That is what I am wondering. V theta anyhow will be like that only.
Yes, sir.
V theta కరెక్ట్. V theta కదా, రైట్, సరిపోయింది. మైనస్ u r minus dou by dou r of u r minus a square by r sin theta, correct. So u into 1 plus a square by r square, correct. So VR V theta expressions are correct, right? Okay. Okay, your batch you can stop. Your batch you can stop. Next I will call another batch. Group 3, are you ready? VR V theta తర్వాత నుంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయి. లేదు వెనక్కి స్లైడ్ పెట్టు. ఆ పక్కనే, అది కాదు. equation 2. Where is equation 3?
That is cancellation. VR is equal to 0, sir, in that equation.
ఎలాగా?
R is equal to A, sir. In equation 3 replaces R is equal to A in the potential velocity potential minus u sin theta into 1 minus into 1 plus A square by R square. Velocity potential equation is equal to minus u sin theta.
What is 1 minute? What is velocity potential equation?
V theta, sir. Sorry, sir. V theta.
What is V theta? What is the physical meaning of V theta?
Angle of velocity components are u theta and v theta and vr.
See, that is why I am saying, when you are
sorry, sir,
when no question, sorry కాదు, నాకు కావాల్సింది మీకు అర్థం అవడం.
velocity components, sir, velocity components.
మీకు బిగినింగ్ నుంచి నేను ఫిజికల్ గా ఆలోచించమని చెప్తున్నాను. వెలాసిటీ ఇన్ ది రేడియల్ డైరెక్షన్, velocity in the tangential direction. V theta is the velocity in the tangential direction. Okay.
Therefore minus u sin theta
1 minute
of 1 plus
1 minute ఆగు.
Okay, sir.
5వ తారీఖు నుంచి కర్ఫ్యూ 12 గంటల తర్వాత.
అవును, చెప్పాను కదా నేను.
మధ్యాహ్నం 12 గంటల తర్వాత. చెప్పాడా వంశీ?
నేనే చెప్పాను వంశీకి. Okay.
1 plus a square by a square. Therefore r is equal to a.
Okay, we
Therefore
are
r replaces a, sir.
okay. That's next.
Next slide. Harish, next slide. Okay, sir. Okay. Slide change. We consider doublet equation, the potential doublet equation psi is equal to minus of u sin theta by r square. In that doublet equation, the stream function is equal to minus u cos theta by r square. Velocity components at any point in a doublet pattern are velocity in radial direction 1 by r, derivation of stream function by dou theta, sir, minus u sin theta by r square. Therefore, velocity in tangential direction is equal to minus of dou psi by dou r minus mu cos theta by r square, sir, in that doublet equation, sir. Velocity at any point is v is equal to resultant equation, sir, is v is equal to root over vr square minus v theta square. V is equal to mu by r square. Therefore,
now 1 minute here.
Okay, sir.
See, we are considering the flow due to a uniform flow and a doublet,
Yes, sir.
right? But you are
Yes, sir.
explaining only the velocity
Doublet.
component due to doublet only.
Yes, sir.
So why you have not taken into consideration the uniform flow component?
Sorry, sir.
You think and tell me tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because this point everyone want to understand.
Okay, sir.
I have given this, I have kept in the mail. Nobody has, perhaps you have not seen it. I have kept this doubt, somebody asked, and so I have kept it in the group mail. You have not seen it.
Sorry, sir. By applying Bernoulli's equation, the p by rho g plus u square by 2g equal to p by rho g plus p square by 2g, sir. In that equation, we are substituting v is equal to v naught is equal to minus 2u sin theta. Next slide. Harish, next slide. P by rho, in that equation, we are neglecting g, both sides g. Therefore, p
What
by
you are
rho g, the cancellation, sir, g.
VR.
Gravity.
Huh?
G, sir, G, sir. G, gravity.
Gravity cancellation. How can you cancel gravity?
Sir,
P by
rho g plus v square by
okay.
2g. Okay, sir. Next slide.
Okay.
P by rho plus v square.
1 minute. ఇదంతా ఎందులోంచి కాపీ చేశారు మీరు చెప్పండి నాకు.
సార్
ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈ పార్ట్
కొంచెం బన్సాలో చూస్ చేసాం సార్, అంటే కొంచెం ఇందులో డౌట్ ఉంది అందుకని బన్సాలో చూసాం సార్.
ఓకే, బన్సాల్ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చారు. ఈ బన్సాల్ ఒకడు అన్ని తప్పులు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మాత్రం తప్పు కూడా లేదు, కరెక్టే. ఓకే, గో హెడ్.
p by rho minus p naught, we taking both sides in right side. P by rho minus p naught, the p naught by rho is equal to u square by 2 minus 4u square sin square theta by 2, sir.
చదవక్కలేదు, చెప్తే సరిపోతుంది.
Okay, sir. P minus p naught by rho is equal to u square by 2 1 minus 4 sin square theta. We are taking half into the right side. P minus p naught by half rho u square is equal to 1 minus 4 sin square theta. Pressure distribution, that is pressure distribution, sir.
మరి వాడు ప్రెషర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చూపించలేదా బన్సాల్ బుక్ లో?
సార్ లేదు సార్.
మూడు స్లైడ్లు వెనక్కి వెళ్తే కనిపిస్తుంది. అక్కడ మీరు కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేశారు.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళు. ఇంకా అది అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది మరి? నేను ఇచ్చాను.
ఎస్ సార్.
అది ప్రెషర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్.
ఓకే సార్.
మీకు బన్సాల్ లాంటి బుక్ లో ఏంటంటే ఇలాంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వరు.
అవును సార్.
ఏదో వస్తాడు.
డైరెక్ట్ స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్, డైరెక్ట్ స్టెప్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
రైట్. ఓకే, యూ స్టాప్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ గ్రూప్.
హరీష్ సార్, పవన్ కుమార్ absent, హరీష్ will present next sir.
హరీష్ చెప్పు. హరీష్ కైనటిక్ ఎనర్జీ దగ్గర నుంచి మొదలెట్టు. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ కైనటిక్ ఎనర్జీ.
సార్ తన మైక్ ఆన్ లోనే ఉంది, కానీ తన మైక్ ప్రాబ్లం అనుకుంటాను సార్. తన మైక్ ఆన్ లోనే ఉంది.
ఎవరు? హరీష్ దా?
అవును సార్.
Is it visible, sir?
No.
Praveen today absent, sir. Favor, that's why.
You start from that energy point. అంతా అక్కర్లేదు.
సరే సార్. Kinetic energy formula, general formula, half m v square. Hello. Yes. Hello, is it audible, sir?
Go ahead.
Kinetic energy, general formula, half m v square. Our unit length m is equal to.
Rishikesh, you mute your speaker. You mute your mic.
Hello. Kinetic energy is equal to half m v square.
Okay.
Kinetic energy is equal to half m v square. Kinetic energy square, sir. Mass is equal to density into volume, sir. Density into area into per unit length. Kinetic energy per unit length అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసాం సార్. ఏ నుంచి ఇన్ఫినిటీ వరకు.
Why you have integrated?
అంటే మాస్ పర్ యూనిట్ లెంత్ అని తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్.
యూనిట్ లెంత్ కాదు. You have taken a small element of length dr. You have taken an element of thickness dr. So when you want to get the entire, starting from r is equal to a to any value, or 0 to a. A to infinity, a to infinity. ఇన్ఫినిటీ పెట్టావా అక్కడ? ఇదేంటిది? పీపీటీయా లేకపోతే పీడిఎఫా? స్లైడ్ షో చేస్తున్నావా? Now I will tell you. Okay, you just stop. I will show.
Stop చేయండి సార్.
Stop chesava. A cylinder whose radius is A, right? And now we want to find out the kinetic energy. So what I am taking is around the cylinder, we'll take a strip whose thickness is dr. This is dr. So this length is 2 pi r, and this thickness is dr. So the area, this entire area is 2 pi r dr. So perpendicular to the plane, I am taking unit length. So when I multiply this 2 pi r dr, this will be volume. So this, when I multiply by rho, we will get mass. Mass where? In this small element. In this small element. So now the expression for kinetic energy is half m v square. Now that is the kinetic energy in this part only. So when we want the total kinetic energy, you have to integrate it. And what are the limits? Starting from here, this is the origin. So this is all solid. So R is in this direction. So the value of R on the cylinder, circumference of the cylinder is A. So the lower limit is A, and what is the upper limit? Infinity. So that is why the integration is carried out 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Understood? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. I have stopped my presentation.
Is
Continue.
equal to half m dash.
Then
Yes, sir. Half rho pi a square is equal to m dash, sir. V square remaining, sir. Half m dash v square. That's it, sir.
what is the m dash?
M dash is mass per unit length, sir.
Okay.
That's it, sir. PPT. Or sir, kinetic energy per unit length.
Okay.